Namaste and welcome to this video where I'm going to be sharing with you two very powerful breathing techniques to calm yourself, whether you need it for stressful situations or whether you wish to generally release some stress. Maybe you have a little bit of feeling of there's a lot, maybe tiny bit of overwhelm, or whether it's just to have a more calm, stable, balanced and peaceful state of mind. These breathing techniques are gonna be for you. My name is Svenja, by the way, and for this breath work, it's the best if you can find yourself a upright seating position. You can do cross-leg Sukhasana and just make sure your spine is gently, comfortably erect. Your sternum pulls forward and up slightly, and just close your eyes and take a few deep breaths to just first of all arrive here in this present moment now. One more deep inhale and slow exhale. Now we're gonna inhale through our nose, inhale deeply, and exhale through your mouth, making the sound of the sea. Again, deep inhale, slow exhale through the mouth, allowing the sound of the sea to come out. Again, inhale and exhale. Continue in your own rhythm with this breath called sea breath. Inhale and exhale through the mouth. Now with every exhale, you're gonna release any tension, any worries, anything that you want to let go of in this moment. Just visualize the sea, the waves of the sea, washing away those things you want to let go of. Deep inhale and exhale through the mouth. Allow those waves to cleanse you and continue. With the sea breath. That can be very easily applied in any given situation of where you may feel a little bit of stress, or you just want to calm your mind. Just letting go of all thinking, suspend all thinking with each out breath. In and out. Again, deep inhale and slow exhale through the mouth. Washing away all tensions and calming, balancing your mind. Come back to your normal breathing. Keep your eyes closed and just breathe naturally. Before we're gonna switch to alternate nostril breathing. So for this, you can gently, slowly open your eyes, and we're just gonna use our thumb to cover our right nostril, to just only breathe through our left nostril. So take a deep inhale through your left nostril and exhale through your left nostril again. Now use your ring finger to cover your left nostril and breathe. Inhale, exhale through your right side only. See whether both sides are open. If one side is blocked, just close the other side and force the air through that side that is slightly blocked, slightly more closed. Just force the air out until you feel your breath is balanced. If our breath is balanced, our being is balanced as well. From there, now again use your right hand to block your right nostril. Inhale through your left nostril. Close now with your ring finger your left nostril and hold the breath there. Open your right side, exhale through your right nostril. Inhale through your right nostril. Close with your thumb, hold there. And exhale through your left side. Alternate nostril breathing. Again, repeat that full cycle. Inhale through your left nostril. Close both, hold. Exhale through your right side. Again, inhale through your right side. Close with your thumb, hold your breath for a few seconds. And exhale through your left side. Repeat in your own rhythm. Inhale left, close, hold for a few seconds, and exhale on your right side. Inhale through your right nostril. Close your right nostril with your thumb, open up your left side, and exhale there. We complete one more cycle. Breathe in towards from your left side. Close, hold for a few seconds. Exhale through your right nostril. Inhale through your right side. Close, hold. And exhale through your left side. Release, return to your normal breath. And allow your breath to balance. Feel how both channels, the right, the active channel, and the left, the receiving channel, are now balanced. And remember to take these breathing techniques into your everyday life, to apply them whenever you feel the need of balancing maybe your body or just your mind, your whole system. The balance between being active and between relishing, receiving, enjoying a life. And to calm yourself, calm your mind, settle your energies, and releasing any tensions or stress to be able to enjoy and relinquish life to the fullest. If you got any value from this video, just make sure to hit that thumbs up, like button, the subscribe button, and also the notification button, which is the little bell sign, by the way, to ensure that you get informed whenever we put more value out for you to be able to balance and build a successful, happy, healthy, wealthy life. Thank you for sharing your energies. See you on the next video. Namaste.